7 unexpected items that you can microwave. Most chefs will never admit to using a microwave, especially when they're cooking professionally. In fact, almost every chef I reached out to for this video made a point to say that their restaurants, cafes don't even have microwaves on site, but admit that they have a microwave at home. These are some of the unexpected things that chefs microwave. Fresh herbs. If you throw fresh herbs in the microwave, they dry up fairly quickly. They can be blended into herb powders and sprinkled on dishes. I do this myself a lot of times. Garlic, lemons, and limes. Use the microwave to roast garlic. It makes the process so much quicker. I also use the microwave to juice lemons and limes as well. 2 minutes in the microwave and they juice like crazy. Old pasta. To recreate the way we execute pasta in a restaurant, microwave old, cooked pasta when heating tomato sauce in a pan with butter. There's something about hot pasta being tossed in a pan with a warm sauce that makes all the difference. Basically any vegetable. Steam vegetables in the microwave because it keeps their shape, flavor, color, and nutrients intact versus steaming with water. Chocolate and brown sugar. Microwaving chocolate is good for gentle, even melting. And hardened brown sugar can be softened quickly in the microwave, just about 30 seconds and it's restored. This video was brought to you by Palawan Perfection and its affiliates, and we invite the world to come and visit Palawan, Philippines, which was voted best island in the world in 2013, 2016, 2017, and 2020 by Travel Plus Leisure Travel Magazine, and many more awards too numerous to mention here by the Worldwide Travel and Tourism Press. Palawan awaits by Vagabond Wine Guy.